Hello, hopefully you do use a specific eye serum or cream and here's really a video on how you should be applying this. So I'm going to take one pump of obviously the best product ever, CellDerma EyeLift, and what I would recommend you do is use one of your weaker fingers. If you're using the index finger, it's very strong, so you know there is a tendency to really go to town on the eye. So take one of your weaker fingers, just take a little bit of product and dab. Don't rub, because that mechanical friction, it creates inflammation and injury to the skin. And just dab, 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 under eye, around the crow's feet, and please don't forget the upper lid. Many of my patients think you can't use products around there. Obviously you need to read the back of the label, but certainly with the CellDerma eye product you can. And then do the same on the other side all the way around. And that way you're being as gentle and as respectful as possible to this very delicate area around the eyes, minimizing the amount of damage you actually cause by trying to help that eye area in the first place. Thank you.